Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to build Alliance HQ and Kingshot. Here's how to build an Alliance HQ and Kingshot. First, you need to reach Town Center level 6, which unlocks the Alliance feature after completing a mini mission associated with the next chapter. Once you finish the quest and claim Chapter 6, obey the law. Head to the Alliance menu. From there, you can either create your own alliance or join an existing one. Simply choose the option that fits your playstyle and follow the prompts to establish your becoming part of an alliance. Remember to customize your alliance settings, invite members, and participate in alliance events regularly. Doing so not only strengthens your kingdom shot, but also provides access to alliance rewards, collaborative missions, and strategic support, making your gameplay in Kingshot more engaging and rewarding. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.